This is my cat Daisy, and she is so adorable. And this is my first video. So yeah, I'm on the trampoline with her. Isn't she adorable? Isn't she? Isn't she? So, she's kind of got a stepsister at her dad's place. It's not ours, but it lives there. And before it gets a name, I'm gonna call it Mr. Flufflebum. It's a kitten, and it is so cute. Oh my God, Daisy, you are just walking in circles, aren't you? Aren't you? You are. Look at the camera. She's not trained at all, and this wasn't planned at all, but yeah. So here she is, my cat Daisy. And I've already told her that between her and Mr. Flufflebum, she's my favourite, and I've had her for 5 years. So yeah.